Hello everyone! Today we will share with you how to repair this Audi 48 volts alternator. Let's open it first. Remove the screws. Now open the cover. Now we can see 3 IGBTs. We can see that this IGBT is broken. We have to replace it. Next, we'll cut the 4 copper links on the broken IGBT, so we can remove the IGBT. Done. Let's cut also these, otherwise the control unit cannot be separated from the alternator. Now we can separate them. Let's put the control unit back in its place. Put these 2 screws back on. Now let's use hammer and knife and cut here. Now we can take off the broken IGBT board and clean the plate. Very important to do this well to ensure heat dissipation works as intended and the new IGBT can last. Protect this sensor. Ensure you don't break it. Now we continue to clean the plate. Protect 2 other IGBTs with tape. Done. Now it feels smooth. Time for heat dissipating paste. Put some tin here and solder them. When removing the cover, pay attention to keep this plug pressed. Now use a multimeter to measure the condition of the control board. A quick way is to verify resistance of these triodes to distinguish faulty and working boards. So keeping a good alternator board as a reference would not be a bad idea. Furthermore, the data of the CPU on this board is okay, so we don't need to do anything on it. Let's put the cover back on and proceed to solder the IGBT. Let's prepare a good IGBT board. Bend it like shown if needed. Then try to put it into place. We can see it's not fitting close enough to the soldering joints. We need to solve this before we put the thermal paste. To do it, use 2 screws to fit it in. Then use pliers to fix the IGBT into position. Now it's okay. Clean up the bottom once more. This is to prevent dust layers from affecting the heat dissipation paste application. Now we can spread the dissipating paste. Then put our IGBT on. Push it hard into place. Now we're using this kind of soldering iron, and solder these 4 copper joints. Then, we also have to solder these 5 wires. Now we put this board back on. Let's test it on the platform and see if it works. Let's lock it into position with 2 screws. Let's test it now. Okay, turn on. Now start turning. Okay, repair was successful. After the alternator turned for a while, let's use the function to charge the battery. Test successful. Put this cover back on. Put this back into place. We have to fix it, otherwise it won't fit well. Then we can put it back. Now it's okay. We put glue here. Put all screws back on. Add glue all over here where we connect the unit to the alternator. Then put the control unit on the alternator. Next, the screws. Solder the IGBT joints. Once more, let's use glue to stick the cover. Let's test it again. All done.